Did you know that 95% of new creators quit within their first year on platforms like YouTube? And one of the main reasons is having difficulties with the equipment. You will not be part of these 95%. If you decided to finally start your YouTube channel and create video content that will help you grow your business, personal brand, and become an important revenue stream in your life, you know that you need to learn how to look professional on YouTube in 2025. There's no need to break the bank to look professional from the beginning, but looking professional will help you achieve your goals faster. Let's make the ultimate list of smart gear for new YouTubers so you can build the best YouTube setup for talking head videos. To start with a smartphone can be a solution, but you will find out fast that the image is not professional even with the latest iPhone, and shooting with a smartphone, it's uncomfortable. Someone can call you. If you shoot for 30 minutes or 1 hour, you have the phone unavailable, the memory will become full fast, you can't see yourself when shooting if you don't use the selfie camera. You know that if you want to take this seriously, you need a dedicated camera. But what is the best camera for YouTube beginners in 2025? Do you like this image? Do you think it's good enough for your YouTube videos? It is professional for what you want to create? If yes, this is the camera that I use, the Sony ZV-10. ZV-10 Mark I, not Mark II. We will talk about the Mark II immediately. The ZV-10 Mark I costs around $698 only for the body and around $798 with the kit lens, which is not the best lens in the world, but it gets the job done. I have used this camera for all my talking head videos for years, and if you learn how to use it and combine it with a few accessories and a great lens, you can create amazing quality content with it. The quality of the 4K image that the ZV-10 delivers for this investment is amazing. I also have tutorials for how to use it, all the settings, accessories, how to use it for streaming or record directly on PC using a capture card, everything you need to know about it to achieve this quality. If you plan to shoot this kind of video, you talking in front of the camera, having the camera on a tripod, the ZV-10 is the smartest value-price investment. If you also plan to shoot dynamic videos, walking, moving a lot, or shoot a lot of B-roll that requires movements, you can go with the ZV-10 Mark II. The Mark II with the kit lens, it's around $1,089. It's the newer version with 10-bit footage, better image stabilization, 4K 60 FPS to shoot 4K slow motion, a bigger battery, and you can stream 4K directly with the USB-C. Both are the best cameras for YouTube beginners. Choose according to your needs. If you shoot only static videos and have the camera on a tripod and want to keep it on a budget, go with the Mark I. If you also want to have slow motion, shoot dynamic content, and want the latest camera for a little more, go with the Mark II. This is the image now shot at f3.5 with the kit lens. And if you want to upgrade the image even more and look more professional, the best investment is in a fast lens. What I use right now is the Sigma 16mm f1.4. With this lens, you will obtain that blurred behind you that makes everything look better and more professional. Also, it will help you with the lighting system. Being a fast lens will help you have a brighter image. The Sigma 16mm f1.4, it's around $415 at the time of publishing this video. It works with the ZV-10 Mark I and Mark II, and it's worth every dollar. You will have the blur, more light, it's wide enough for talking head videos created in a tiny room. You will be close to the camera to reach it if you need to change some settings, and you can keep the entire setup on the desk. Of course, you can also use the kit lens at the beginning, that's okay, but you will have less blur behind you and you will need more lights. ZV-10 Mark I or Mark II according to your needs, and the Sigma 16mm f1.4 will make the best talking head setup. To have the camera at the right angle, I suggest using a small tripod. I use the SmallRig VT20, it's around $54 at the time of publishing this video. It's the best, tiny, easy to use tripod for talking head videos, having the perfect height for desk use. Don't worry, I'll add affiliate links in the description for all the equipment that I use. If you want to build your own setup and click on my links, you're not going to pay anything extra, but I'll earn a small commission, and this will help me keep sponsors away from this channel and create more valuable content for you. Thank you. And to have enough power for long shooting sessions or long online calls, I use a dummy battery to power the camera from the wall. A dummy battery costs around $22 at the time of publishing this video. ZV-10 Mark I or Mark II, the Sigma 16mm f1.4, a mini tripod and a dummy battery, and you will have the best YouTube starter gear in 2025. Let's solve the lighting setup now. You will see a lot of creators recommending big studio lights with big softboxes. Those are great, but for talking head videos in small spaces, this is not the best solution. Softboxes takes up a lot of space and big lights create noise with the fans. To shoot all my talking head videos, including the video you're watching now, I used the Godox ES45 bounced from two cheap light reflectors to have a diffused light without ugly shadows or reflections on my glasses. The lights are cheap, around $139 each, and are powerful enough for talking head videos, especially if you use the Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens. This is the image shot with the ZV-10 Mark I and the Sigma 16mm f1.4 at f1.4 and two Godox ES45. And this is the image with the kit lens at f3.5 and two Godox ES45. The lights come with the stands in the box and remotes to control them. Also, you can control the intensity and the color temperature. If you want to invest in the lights, I will add in the description a dedicated video where I show you how I use them to benefit the most from this setup. Also, I will give a link to a dedicated video about all my background lights if you need to build something like this. We have now to approach the most important step in video creation, and that's sound. You can have the best image, but if people can't hear you or audio is disturbing, they will close the video immediately. And if you find this video useful until now, don't forget to press the like button and maybe consider subscribing. Thank you. If you don't have the experience, I want to briefly explain something important about audio. You can find wireless systems, on-camera microphones that look super easy to use, connect them to the camera, and that's it. In reality, most talking head creators shoot the videos in normal apartment rooms like mine. These rooms are not acoustically treated, and we have a lot of reverb, echo, and ugly vibrating frequencies that are hard to listen to and annoying. This is why, if you want to have the best quality and sound, I recommend investing in microphones that are better for this situation. What I use and think is the best value price microphone for this situation, it's the Audio-Technica 8875R connected to a Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th generation audio interface. The quality is amazing if you use the microphone right and keep it as close as possible to the mouth at a 45-degree angle, not to blow into it or touch it. Like this, you will record the audio separately on your PC in an audio recording software and sync the audio when editing with the video recorded in the camera. This process might sound scary for some creators, but I demonstrated in another video that it takes no more than 30 seconds. All you have to do is insert the audio recorded on an audio track, the video with the audio recorded in camera, select them both, right-click, go to Auto-Align Clips, choose Waveform and click Sync. That's it. Mute the audio recorded in the camera and you're good to go. If you want to, you can select them, right-click and link them together to be sure that everything stays connected. It's a 30 seconds process, but the quality difference matters. It will take you doing this a few times to get used to the process, and it will be extremely easy to do after. To have the microphone in the right position, for this microphone I recommend the Gravity Stand. Cheap, around $54, lightweight and easy to use. The microphone is around $189 and the audio interface is $149. Now, with the ZV-10 Mark I or Mark II, the Sigma 16mm f1.4, two Godox ES45 and the audio system, With the 8875R and the Scarlett Solo 4th generation, you will have the ultimate YouTube starter kit for new creators. And trust me, the budget for this quality is crazy good. But you can build the entire setup, learn how to use it, and still need something that will make you create more easily, make your videos more precise and concise, your content more articulate, and speed up the recording process. I will give you a dedicated video where I show you everything you need to know about the prompter that I use, which makes my recording process so easy and professional. Watch this video and take advantage of the technology that we have to achieve your goals faster and easier.